Hey guys, Mrs. Gilmore here from upstairs in the Green Acres hallway, and I am here to tell you just a little bit about our upcoming science fair. Um, how would you like to win a science magic show for your class? Sounds cool, huh? Who loves science? I love science. So I think that this would be really neat. But in order to do that, for the science fair, for the kindergarten and first grade, you guys will be doing a penny boat STEM challenge. Okay? And I'll go on to tell you what that's about here in just a minute. But how that will work is you'll get in teams of 2 or 3, and you guys will work on your STEM challenge, and you'll make a penny boat. And then on February 13th, those will be judged, and the top 4 teams from your hallway will be chosen to go to the district fair with your penny boat. And if your penny boat wins the district fair, then you guys will win the science magic show for your class. If you don't want to do the penny boat, you can enter, if your teacher wants to, you can enter a science fair project with your entire class, and then one class from your hallway will be chosen from MacArthur to go to the district fair. And then if your class wins the district science fair, then you'll also win the science magic show. So there's 2 ways to win. You can enter a class project, or you can enter your penny boat STEM challenge with a classmate or 2. Okay, but you have to win at the district fair after you win at MacArthur. Okay. All right, so what is a penny boat? Okay, do you see this boat up here with all these people on it? Okay, boats float, right? You hope. So what you will be making is a boat made out of tinfoil, which looks like this. Okay, we use it to cook a lot. You might see mom or dad with it in the kitchen. And instead of people, you're going to use pennies. Okay, and if you let's click right here, get some more information. Okay, so this is what it will look like. Okay, you'll just have a Tupperware container of some sort with some water in it, and you will shape your foil however you think will work best. Okay, and then you're going to see how many pennies you can put in there. Okay, it says you'll be designing a tinfoil boat that will hold the greatest number of pennies. Okay, these are all the materials that you'll need. You'll need paper and pencil and some scissors. You get 3 tinfoil pieces, a bowl, water, and some pennies. Okay, and if you choose to do this, or if your teacher wants to let you do this, she can explain a little bit more about it, okay? The first place winner will be the boat that holds the most pennies. Okay, there's also special judges awards, so if your boat is the most visually pleasing, meaning that it looks the best, you'll win a special prize. The boat that is the most practical and successful will win. And also, if you try really hard but your boat is just really terrible and it sinks in the least amount of time, you're going to get an award called the Titanic. Okay? Let's go back to my slideshow here. Okay, so that is the penny boat challenge. It could be really fun. Let's say that you don't want to do the penny boat challenge, okay? You can also enter a science fair project if your teacher wants to do one as a class, okay? And this link right here has lots of websites for you guys to go to look at different science fair projects if you want to enter one, okay? Now let's say your teacher doesn't want to do one as a class, and that's okay, okay? Because you can still do one by yourself, okay? If you want to do one by yourself, just let your teacher know, and your teacher will let me know, and then I will get an application sent home to your parents that you guys can fill out, and then mom and dad can help you with it at home, okay? And you can still enter it to win the science fair. Now, if you enter an individual project and you take it to the district science fair and you win district science fair, you'll still get to win the science magic show for your class. So I highly recommend that you try this. It's just for fun, but the science magic show is really cool. So that's all I've got. If you guys have any questions, ask your teacher or come find me upstairs. Okay? Bye.